Hello everyone, good morning, welcome to another video. And look where we are back on this garden house that we built a couple of weeks back. You might have remembered we were here last when we poured some concrete around the outside of the house to the front and to the right hand side, and we did mention that we were going to install some decking. So the customer had gone away, and I've just planned now to come back to fit the decking. So our concrete has all been set. Obviously it's been a couple of weeks and we are ready to fit this composite decking. So we're going to try and see if we can show you what we're doing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, we'll see you at the end. Right guys, so this is what we're doing at the moment. So we spread these out. 30 centimeters is the gap for these, so we're putting them all out. So there's quite a few of these all the way down. So these ones are all being screwed down. Now we're going to start taking it around the corner and doing the same thing. Just show you a little bit close up. So basically what we do is we drill these into the concrete, put wall plugs in, put some screws in. We've got like 3-inch screws there. So then once these are on now, these spin, you can wind them up. So what I'm doing with the level is starting from one end, and then I'm just checking all of them and spinning them all up, so I get a level. As you can see, I've got a level here, and this level is sliding all the way down to there. So I've got a level. Now I'm going to level. Now that I've leveled the back row, I'm going to level the front row, but I'm going to give it a slight slope. They want a 5 mil slope for every meter. We've got 900 mil here, so I'm going to give it a 5 mil slope from here to there, and that will give me the height of this one. Once I get the height of this one, then I will just level it all the way down like I did with the other one there. So once we've leveled these all out, then the next thing we'll do is put these joists, which I've already cut all 900 mil like this, jam up to the house, and that gives us our perfect measurement for our planks. These get screwed in, as you can see here, with some self-tapping screws. They get screwed in here, comes with the kit. Once these are all screwed in, these are actual joists, and then we will put the planks in perpendicular, and I'll show you how these fit in. They've got hidden screws and stuff like that, and then we take it all the way around.
Guys, as usual, you know, it's London and it started raining and it's forecast to rain for the rest of the night. So we had to stop. We tried, but we're getting soaked, so we just had to give up. I'm going to quickly show you what we did. We're going to have to come back at some point to try and finish it. We're trying to finish it today because we sort of had the day to do it today, but we'll see how we get on. All right, guys, so this is what it's looking like. So as you can see, we've pretty much done the deck on this side here. 6 planks all done. Probably next time we come back, I'll try and show you a few more of the close-ups of how we fitted it all together. But the main thing is that there's these little brackets that clip in there, so they're hidden. And then we've got this sort of, the last plank gets this sort of hidden, concealed one that we slide in and screw down. So it's all screwed down now. This side, we've screwed all the legs down to the ground. We've leveled them all. We just cut all these pieces. We just started screwing these down to the legs when the rain just started. So once we've done that, we're going to run these ones coming down this way, and we're going to run across here, and then we'll cut this, and it's going to basically join here. So that's what we're doing here. Yeah, basically that's it. So we're going to stop here, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and you should see us back here soon, very soon, if not tomorrow afternoon, maybe the weekend or something. But yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, hope you enjoyed that. We are off getting out this rain. It's 4:30. So guys, we will see you on the next video. Take care of yourselves. Please like and subscribe. Take care.